In this video, we will learn about how to glossy effect on text in Photoshop. To create this type of glossy effect on Photoshop, you need a solid text. Then click FX option on layer. If you don't find your layer option, go window, then select layer. This is the layer. You need to click FX option, then click bevel and emboss. There you go. There is so many options. You need to work with bevel and emboss. This is the depth. You can adjust the depth size as well. That is the depth. You can adjust the depth size which you want. You can play with the size also. This is the size. This is the softness. You can adjust with the softness. Then there is too many options. Just to talk about this option. Then click OK. There it is. That's how you can add glossy effect on Photoshop.